So, writing proof. So, meron tayong parallel lines cut by a transversal line. And merong tatlong given na angles. Yung angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So, meron na tayong given. So, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. So, yun yung ating unang statement. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by the reason of given. So, of course, given na yan eh. And paano ba siya naging congruent, yung angle 1 and angle 2? So, congruent yan kasi they are corresponding angles. So, yun yung una nating given, angle 1 and angle 2. Then next, i-connect na natin yung mga givens. So, meron tayong angle 3. So, angle 2 and angle 3 are congruent din yan. So, paano kaya yun naging congruent? Ang angle 1 and angle 3. So, congruent yan kasi they are vertical angles. So, kapag ganito yung position natin, vertical angles yan. So, angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 by the definition of vertical angles. Ayan. So, vertical angles are congruent. And statement number 3. So, take note, kailangan natin i-prove na ang angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Ito yan. So, since na alam naman natin na ang angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, so, ibig sabihin, for example, meron ang angle 1 ay 50 degrees. Ang ibig sabihin yan, ang angle 2 ay 50 degrees din. So, example lang yan. So, and then, since na ang angle 2 ay congruent din sa angle 3, so, pag 50 degrees ang angle 2, so, yung angle 3 ay 50 degrees din. And makapag-conclude na tayo. So, dahil doon sa mga nauna nating statements, na-prove natin na si angle 1 and angle 3 are congruent because they have the same measure, which is 50 degrees. So, therefore, we have proven that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Angle 3 rather. So, by the reason of transitive property. So, paano naging transitive property? So, kasi nga dito, diba? So, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Yan. And angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Yes. So, therefore, angle 1 is congruent to angle 3 by the reason of transitive property. At ganoon lang po yung tamang paraan para ma-prove natin na angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. So, yun. So, na-solve natin yun. Dito yan makikita sa parallel lines cut by transversal line. Okay, so, yun lang. So, kung may katanungan ay magtanong lang para may paliwanag ng ayos.